Shiksha Saptah Day 6 Eco Clubs for Mission Life Day. The National Education Policy 2020 emphasizes the critical importance of integrating environmental awareness and sustainability principles into school curricula. The vision of the policy is to instill among the learners a deep-rooted pride in being Indian and dispositions that support responsible commitment to sustainable development and living. Today in our school, this day was dedicated to raise awareness about the importance of preserving and conserving natural resources and the environment. The students prepared charts and posters. Our school has distributed 580 plants to the students, and students are instructed to take care of these plants for 1 year. After 1 year, students will click the photographs of the plants and will be awarded according to the growth of plants.
Morning. Today we are going to talking about on the topic of environment protection. As we all know, the nature is the ultimate source of living for us. All the living things and non-living things include nature, and everyone is independent, which have to maintain ecosystem and nature. All the human beings and plants, animals depends on nature for the survival of their life. We have to pay attention to afforestation and have to stop deforestation to protect our environment.
The word nature has a very vast meaning within it. The goal of life is living in the agreement with nature. It is an integral and a vital part of living organism. Nature is nothing but everything we are surrounded by, like the air we inhale, the water we drink, the sun, the moon, the landscape, and the list goes to infinity. It is a real supporter of life, but we are not aware of its real value. It is a time to understand the importance of nature and conserve it. If we want to assume life on earth for a long time, we need to protect it.
Must plant more and more trees. Throw garbage in the dustbin. Avoid using plastic bags, etc. It cannot be denied that our environment is such as important part of our ecosystem. It is important to educate people about how the environment is getting damaged.